Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete contact in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First of all, launch open Unstoppable Crypto Wallet application on your device and log in using your credentials. After that, navigate to the Settings tab, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, go to the Contacts section. Here you can see all of your contacts. Now click on the contact and you can see delete contact option. You can also slide the contact to the left and you will see a minus icon. Tap on it and it will be deleted. You can also delete it by tapping on it and click on delete contact button. Here you will get a prompt saying, are you sure you want to delete this account? You need to click on delete button and the contact will be deleted. So that is how you can delete the contact in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.